Greetings, YouTube. Stanadyne DB2 injection pump, 6.9 application. Yeah, I have a conglomeration going here. Ignore that and that. I've taken and yanked, pulled one apart. I've got seals and stuff like that. Okay. This here was the first one I yanked apart. You see that tag? That has been remanned already. Alright. Oh, I'm trying to focus here a little bit. If you can look down in there. If you look just about halfway back, if you can see, I don't know. It's scored up pretty good. And I can catch my finger on it, what have you. It doesn't seem real good. Along with this ear here, it's not pretty good. Allowing that arm that comes through here to have wiggle in it. Okay, a little bit. It's not a lot. But it would cause a slight delay in the advance, which is what all this down here does. It's not super critical, but between the two factors, I've decided to do away with this housing, I guess. I can probably reassemble it and use it as a core, I guess. If this doesn't work out, yeah. On this pump head, I've decided to use this pump head. This is a good one. This was on one that had been rebuilt, which is this one here, and it was mishandled, what have you, left behind. I had to open it up, look it over, whatnot. I've got new O-ring here, new O-ring there. I've more or less checked everything over, cleaned everything up. These plungers, the rollers were free, but the plungers inside were stuck. The only other thing I got to deal with is that. I don't know what to do yet. Yeah. As I go, I'm getting this taken care of. Yeah, a lot of research, what have you, on all this. It's not too bad for ones that really want to do something like this themselves. As long as you pay attention as you pull the thing apart, it's not bad. It looks like a beast, but really it isn't. There's a gentleman on here on YouTube, Steve Wartrobe or something like that. I may have butchered his name. My apologies. That injection pump is for a 6.2. It's very similar to all this. It's the same thing. Just the mounting ears are different up in here. The drive system is different. It's the same casing, same thing. There's some information available up on the internet. Yeah. Read and research and what have you. Western Truck and Auto Repair, something like that. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff out there available to perform this repair. So yeah, I'm putting this out there because there's not much really available in any depth, detail, what have you. Which, it is what it is. But I say if you're going to do it, head and try it. If it doesn't happen to work out, well, you just learn, I guess. And yeah, to hell with the mechanics, the shop, and what have you. You can't do that because you don't have the equipment or something like that. And I was talking to a guy, somewhat local, and he's been very helpful with knowledge and whatnot, and it's he's pretty good. He's pretty good. And I'm putting it on this and that. Yeah, this is going to be an interesting little adventure. We'll see what happens, and yeah, just try it, So as I go, I try to follow up on this procedure if at all possible. So for now, I'm going to put this on hold and see if I can continue a little later.